This is a quick unboxing video for the Rootana meal replacement powder. I am so excited to have received this so quickly. I'm used to ordering from Jimmy Joy, and obviously they're in a different country, so it takes a while for them to deliver, but this was very speedy. I'm very impressed. I believe Rootana is UK based, which is awesome. I love supporting UK businesses. So this is what they sent me. This is one pack of their powder. It says it's 1.33 kilograms. And this is a bit of information about the company. So it says they're a complete food. Our real food shakes are plant-based, naturally sweetened and nutritionally complete. We give you a perfect balanced blend of real food ingredients and 27 vitamins and minerals with no artificial sweeteners, stevia or sucralose, meaning you get to enjoy a delicious, natural tasting real meal. And it says that they avoid including plastic measuring scoops to minimize their environmental impact. And it says that a normal serving size is approximately 5 heaped tablespoons, and you can adjust the amount according to your taste and preference. And of course, use scales if you wish to be precise with your quantities, which I won't be doing. I'm sure those of you watching this video know how to make a shake, so I won't go through any of this. But let's take a look at the ingredients. Feel free to pause the video if you like and have a read if you want. But they're all natural. And like the packaging says, there's no sucralose, no maltodextrin, no nasty stevia that tastes disgusting. I honestly don't know how people stomach that. It's just pure, natural, simple, straightforward, and everything I could ever ask for in a powder. Now, the only thing that it needs to pass for me is the taste test. As long as I like the way that this tastes, I will continue buying it. And again, feel free to pause the video if you want to take a bit of a look at the vitamin content. But it's basically all of your vitamins at 20% of the recommended daily allowance, except for sodium, which is at 12%. And last but not least, taking a look at the nutritional information. For every 95 grams that you use, you get 400 calories and 20 grams of protein, 0.71 grams of salt, 6.7 grams of fiber, 42 grams of carbs, and 15 grams of fat, which I think is great. For me, I'm focusing on the protein content because I've started going back to the gym, and protein is important for helping building those muscle blocks. So yeah, for me, this sounds like a great product. It seems like an all-rounder that will be my go-to shake. As long as I like the taste, I am pretty much all for Rootana. I used to use Jimmy Joy, but since they changed up their recipe and added things that I don't like, I won't go into it, but they added a few things that I don't like, and the flavour changed a bit, and I thought, okay, they use maltodextrin, they use sucralose, and they've got these other things added that I don't like. Let me see if I can find a meal replacement powder that I can replace in Jimmy Joy's place. So I did my research and I found a few actually, and I saw Rootana and I thought, okay, I'll try them out if the others don't go too well. And the others didn't go too well, to the point where I didn't even receive anything that I ordered. So when I ordered from Rootana and I received the super speedy delivery, I just thought, okay, this is good. This is what's meant to happen. And I'm very excited to try it out and give it a taste. As well as the powder, I got a scoop. It's metal, plastic free, and it's the same thing for the shaker. It's also plastic free. Out of the packet, this is what the shaker bottle looks like. They call it a blender bottle. And I've never been a fan of shaker bottles until I saw this one. This is everything that I could ever ask for in a shaker bottle, and that just makes me even more excited to try it out. But yeah, it's BPA free and it's insulated, which says it will give you 24 hours of coldness, which is great because you want to keep your shakes nice and cool, right? Especially in summertime. And over here it has the measurements, which I think is pretty handy. And this is a bit more information. It just says that it's stain and odor resistant, leak proof guarantee, BPA free like I said, and the lid is dishwasher safe. Not that I'll be putting this in a dishwasher because I don't own one. And on the other side it just gives you a bit of information here about their mixing system. It says it utilizes the blendable whisk to deliver smooth shakes in seconds. No batteries, no cord, no hassle. Which to me is amazing because like I said, I've never been a fan of shaker bottles, but this is not a shaker bottle. It's a blender bottle. This is not a shaker bottle. It seems like it's something more, okay? I know I'm hyping this up so much. I hope it lives up to its claims and all. We've got a little bit more information on the bottle here. It says it's double wall vacuum insulation, which is how it keeps drinks cold for up to 24 hours. A twist-on cap for a worry-free seal, and a detachable carry loop. That's awesome. I don't think I have come across a lid that has a detachable loop like this, because my water bottle also has one of these loops, and sometimes it can be a bit annoying to have the loop on it all the time, and I always wish I could just take it off. But knowing that this is actually detachable gives me some peace of mind. So let me just detach it so that you can see. Hopefully I can do this with one hand. Nope, can't do it with one hand. So I just detach this off of screen, and this is what it's like. As you can see, I've been able to detach all three parts of this. This is the lid, this is the loop, and this is the sealant around it. So the bottle without those on it looks like this. So you could easily just use the bottle like this. For me personally, I'd probably put this seal around here and just leave this part off. So being able to detach all of this makes using this pretty handy. It's very functional. I love when products aren't just practical, but they think about the small things, like being able to detach this or this. So I just thank whoever designed this bottle for thinking of the little things. If you like the look of this bottle and you're interested in purchasing it, then I think you can buy it online at blenderbottles.com. I originally just thought that this was Rootana's bottle, but obviously this comes from Blender Bottle. But props to Rootana for introducing me to Blender Bottle, because I had never heard of them until I purchased Rootana. But yeah, this seems like I would be able to genuinely use this instead of my blender, because when it came to any kind of protein shakes or meal replacement shakes that I've used in the past, I wouldn't ever be able to use them in a bottle and just shake it up like this. I'd always have to put it in a blender, because blending it gave me the consistency that I wanted. And also I used to add a banana or two and some other fruits to give it the taste that I wanted as well. I wasn't ever able to just put the powder in with some water or some milk, shake it up and then drink it. But I will try it out with Rootana, and if I prefer using a blender, I'm actually not bothered. I will use a blender. The main thing I care about is just getting my calories in and my protein in, and Rootana has the nutritional profile for me to do that. But yeah, I'm excited to give this a go. This is what it looks like on the inside. And this is the blender ball right here. And you've got a little note here, just to warn you not to use this bottle with hot liquids, and to give it a good wash before your first use. We've got another little note here, and it's just warning you to not use the bottle with warm or hot liquids, as it may build up pressure in the bottle and cause an explosion. Yeah. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. This is what the scoop looks like, by the way, outside of the packaging. Stainless steel, nice size. It is a 50ml scoop, which is perfect. Probably be using 2 to 3 scoops of this. Depends how I feel. But yeah, this is the unboxing. But if you'd like to see what I think of Rootana taste wise, then please click on the video above in the cards or in the description box, and I'll see you in the next video.